Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas de papa, easy method. Mash boiled potatoes and mix with sautéed onions, cheese, and a pinch of salt. Prepare sauce and warm each tortilla for flexibility. Roll the filling snugly, place in a baking dish, cover with sauce and cheese, then bake until bubbly and golden. Serve hot with a squeeze of lime and fresh cilantro for brightness. For the best enchiladas de papa, keep a little potato texture instead of making a paste. Brighten the filling with lime juice and salt, and fold in cheese while still warm so it blends smoothly. Taste and adjust seasoning before assembling. These small tweaks make each bite comforting and balanced, and they speed up the cooking without sacrificing flavor when you need dinner on the table quickly. Pick your favorite enchilada sauce to set the mood, red for smoky comfort or green for a tangy lift. Arrange rolled enchiladas snugly in a baking dish and pour sauce evenly to coat each one. Top with extra cheese and bake at 375 degrees F until bubbly and slightly crisp at the edges. Rest briefly before serving so the sauce sets and the flavors meld into a hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.